Our home service is a national service. We have specialists all over the country. Customers invite us into the home. They come to the home with all the swatch books from all our different various fabric collections. And then they'll inspect the furniture, and through conversation we'll listen to what the customer's need is, whether they're looking for a removable cover or more refurbishment and reupholstery. Once that's been established, they'll show the customer fabrics. We've got a huge selection. There's well over 800 fabrics, a huge colour combination of fabrics to be seen. A lot of these can be seen on our website. If the customer decides to have removable covers, we will measure the furniture. In most cases, the furniture stays in the home in situ, and we will take a selection of measures, as every order we make is made to measure and is made to fit the customer's furniture. This could be quite a lengthy process because we take over 100 measures on any one piece of furniture, and that maybe take up to an hour, maybe sometimes longer if there are a few pieces of furniture. It's really important that we take our time to photograph and get all the detailed measurements, because we want the customer to be delighted with the fit on their furniture. All our furniture covers have a 3-year guarantee, and we issue each customer with a certificate of satisfaction. This is signed by every person who's been involved in the manufacture of their covers and is a record for the customer. And that's our quality guarantee that we're happy with the product we've supplied to you. Once the covers are ready, the consultant will be in touch with the customer to arrange a mutually convenient appointment. They'll come to the home with the goods, and they'll fit all the covers for every piece of furniture that's been ordered for. All the covers come specifically with an easy to remove zip so that they can be removed off the furniture, and on some of our furniture they are elasticated at the bottom, so equally easy to remove. We supply all our customers with full washing instructions and also how to refit instructions. People return to Plumbs because they know they can rely on us for the quality, they can trust us with their furniture, and also I think that people know that we've got a huge range of fabrics that keep changing and moving with the times, and they know that we will produce a quality product and we care about the customer.